React is a really popular tool for building websites. It's like a set of Lego bricks for making interactive web pages. React lets you build fast and fun websites easily. It uses something called components, which are like reusable building blocks. This means you can break down a complicated website into small, manageable chunks like building with Legos. One of the cool things about React is that it uses a virtual DOM. Think of it like a blueprint of your website. Instead of changing the actual website directly, which can be slow, React updates the blueprint first. Then it figures out the quickest way to update the real website, making it super smooth for the user. Data in React flows in one direction, like a river. This makes it easy to understand how things change on your website and makes fixing bugs much simpler. Lots of companies, big and small, use React, so there are tons of helpful tools and resources available. Before you start building, you need to set up your workspace. First, you'll need to install node.js. Think of it like the engine that runs your React code. You can download it from the official website. Next, install npm or yarn. These are like toolboxes that help you manage the different parts of your project. npm comes with node.js, and yarn can be installed separately. Once you have those, open your terminal or command prompt. It's like a text-based control panel for your computer. Type this command. You can change My React App to whatever you want to name your project. This creates a new folder with everything you need for your React project. Then type to go into that folder. Finally, type to start the project. This will open your React app in your web browser. You're now ready to start building. Let's learn some important React ideas. JSX lets you write something that looks like HTML inside your JavaScript code. It makes your code easier to read. Components are like the building blocks of your app. They're reusable pieces of code for different parts of your user interface. Props are like messages you send to components to customize them. State is like a component's memory. It keeps track of information that might change, like what a user types into a box. Event handling is how your app reacts to things users do, like clicking a button. Data structures are ways to organize information in your React apps. Arrays are like ordered lists. Objects are like dictionaries with key value pairs. Sets are like arrays, but they only keep unique values. Maps are similar to objects, but they let you use any type of key. Section 5. Algorithms in React Enhancing Application Performance. Algorithms are like recipes for solving problems in your code. They help your app run faster, especially when it gets bigger and more complicated. Sorting algorithms help you put data in order, like alphabetizing a list. Search algorithms help you find specific information, like in a search bar. Traversal algorithms help you navigate through data structures, like a family tree. Dynamic programming is a clever way to solve complex problems by breaking them down into smaller ones. Big O notation is a way to measure how efficient your code is. Section 6. Advanced React Concepts. Redux, hooks, context API, and external APIs. Optional. These are some extra tools you can use in React. Redux helps manage the data in your app. Hooks let you use React features in a simpler way. The context API lets you share data across your app without passing it down through every component. External APIs are like getting information from other websites or services. Section 7. React Best Practices. Writing clean, efficient, and maintainable code. Writing good code is important for making your app easy to update and scale. Component reusability means using the same component multiple times to avoid repeating code. Memoization is like remembering the answer to a question so you don't have to calculate it again. Lazy loading means only loading parts of your app when you need them. Bundle size reduction means making your app smaller so it loads faster. Section 8. Troubleshooting and debugging in React. Finding and fixing bugs is a key part of coding. Common errors include typos, logic problems, and errors that happen while the app is running. There are tools to help you find these bugs. Console logging is like writing messages to yourself to see what's happening in your code. Error boundaries help prevent your whole app from crashing if one part has an error. Section 9. Resources and further learning. Deepen your React knowledge. There's always more to learn about React. Check out the official documentation, online course coming soon on my channel, my YouTube tutorials, and online forums here in Tech Codicy. The React community is very helpful and supportive. Please like and subscribe to stay tuned to my videos on React more.